In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Vancouver. We'll walk through the simple process from start to finish so you can take care of your ticket quickly and avoid late fees. Before we begin, it helps to have a few details in front of you. Your ticket number exactly as it appears on the notice, your driver's license number, and in some cases, your vehicle's plate number. You'll also need a payment card ready to go. Start by opening your browser and going to the official City of Vancouver ticket payment portal. This is the site used for parking and bylaw tickets issued within the city. Make sure you're on a secure official page before entering anything. You should see the vancouver.ca domain in the address bar and a lock icon indicating a secure connection. If you're not already there, a quick search for City of Vancouver ticket payment portal will bring up the correct link. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to enter your ticket information. Type the ticket number exactly as it appears on your notice. If the ticket includes letters or leading zeros, include them as shown. Next, enter your driver's license number. Some tickets will also ask for your vehicle plate number. When it's requested, enter it without extra spaces or special characters unless the page specifically shows a format. Take a moment to double check each field. Matching the details on your actual ticket helps the system locate the correct record on the first try. After your ticket details are verified, you'll move on to payment. The portal commonly accepts Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Enter the card number, expiry date, and security code, and be sure the name and billing address on the payment screen match what your card issuer has on file. Before you submit, review the total amount and confirm everything looks right. If the page seems to stall, be patient and avoid clicking the button repeatedly to prevent duplicate charges. When the payment is processed, you'll see a confirmation screen. This page will display a confirmation number, and you may have the option to view or download a receipt. Save or screenshot the confirmation number right away and keep the receipt for your records. It's a good idea to store it in a folder or cloud note so you can find it later if needed. That's it. Go to the official portal, enter your ticket details, pay securely, and save your proof of payment. You're all set.